Animal body parts. Tail. A part extending from the back, often for balance.
The cat wagged its tail happily.
Wings. Limbs used for flying in birds or insects.
The eagle spread its wings and soared.
Claws. Sharp nails for grasping or digging.
The bear used its claws to catch fish.
Fur. Thick hair covering an animal's body.
The wolf's fur keeps it warm in winter.
Feathers. Light structures covering birds for flight and warmth.
The peacock's feathers are colorful.
Horns. Hard growths on the head, often for defense.
The rhino charged with its horns.
Antlers. Branched horns on deer, shed annually.
The deer's antlers grew bigger each year.
Beak. A bird's hard mouthpart for eating or pecking.
The parrot cracked seeds with its beak.
Trunk. A long nose on elephants for grabbing.
The elephant lifted water with its trunk.
Hooves. Hard feet of some mammals like horses.
The deer's hooves clicked on the rocks.
Gills. Organs in fish for breathing underwater.
The fish breathed through its gills.
Mane. Long hair around the neck of some animals.
The lion's mane made it look majestic.
Tusks. Long, protruding teeth for digging or fighting.
The elephant used its tusks to push trees.
Head. The top part of an animal's body where the brain, eyes, and mouth are.
The lion shook its head to scare its prey.
Ears. Organs for hearing sounds.
The rabbit's ears twitched at the noise.
Nose. The part used for smelling and breathing.
The dog sniffed the ground with its nose.
Mouth. The opening for eating and making sounds.
The crocodile opened its mouth wide.
Teeth. Hard structures in the mouth for biting and chewing.
The shark's teeth are razor sharp.
Thanks for watching.